sensitive, and as well the décolleté, as well as my face. So what would you suggest for like women?
Yes, so that's quite common with women as they get older, as we get older, because as we get older, our skins tend to get drier. And when our skins get drier, it gets much more sensitive. So what's great about our range is that it contains ingredients that are very calming and soothing and anti-inflammatory. So it combats the inflammation that's in the skin. It helps to calm and soothe reactive skin so that your skin is feeling comfortable again. Because as we get older, as I said, it can have a tendency of getting irritable and sensitive, and you may suddenly find yourself having rosacea, maybe.
Right. And how would you stack? I know everybody's skin is different, but if you were suggesting like a cleanser, how would you how would you sort of put that step by step?
Sure. So if you have the time and obviously the funds, I would really, really recommend that you double cleanse. Have you heard of double cleansing?
No.
No? Okay. So double cleansing is combining an oil cleanser with a foam or a gel cleanser. So basically you would start off your cleansing routine by massaging an oil into your skin. I just want to show you our oil. Our oil is called the Botanical Bliss Cleansing Oil. And it is made up of really comforting oils such as a jojoba oil, grapeseed oil. It has another ingredient called sachainchi in it. So basically when you start your cleanse, you will apply a few drops of that oil and you will give yourself a soothing, relaxing massage. And the massage in itself is going to help to increase circulation. But what the oil does is that it releases all the dirt and grime. It releases the makeup that is on your skin and softens it. So then you give yourself the massage. It softens all of that. You wash it off. It turns into a milk when you apply water onto it.
Oh, wow.
Once you wash it off, then you would go in with your foaming cleanser. So we have something called the Hydra Soothe Cleanser, which is a very calming, soothing cleanser that you will then remove the dirt and grime further. So the two-step cleanse, I believe, is really, really important. I think we have never been educated about this in the past, and now it's becoming a little bit more popular, but it's really, really valuable because it helps to soften the dirt and then it removes it. And also the oil treats the skin and nourishes the skin at the same time. In the past, cleansers were very aggressive at, in removing the product. But now you're going to calm your skin and then remove the dirt.
Makes so much sense. And then what do you do after that?
So after you cleanse, you will then go in with your toner. And your toner helps to remove any excess dirt and grime or makeup that's on the skin. It also helps to balance out the skin's pH and just refresh your skin at the same time.